Amazon, Flipkart, Razorpay, Uber, and many more companies are hiring for intern as well as full-time employees. If you're a college student or freshly graduate or in your first or second year, then there are amazing opportunity for you to apply right now. I'll be covering the details about these opportunities in the video ahead, but if you want to get updated with all these opportunities on daily basis, make sure to join our Telegram group and also like or subscribe the channel to be updated with these opportunities. Let's get started without any further ado. So our first internship is by the Government of India, that is Aadhaar internship, where not only BTech but other field students are also eligible, like LLB graduate, postgraduate, MTech, MBA, Masters. Even MCA students are also eligible in different departments that they are providing. For instance, Enforcement Division, Authentication Division, Technology Management Division are the ones where BTech students are eligible. You have to submit your CVs at this particular email address as mentioned here, and all the details about the internship are mentioned in this PDF. And in this particular PDF, you will find all the details about the internship stipend that you will be getting and the eligibility details also. You have to have 60% marks in your all prior semester examinations. BTech, technical fields like BTech, B Design, B Graphic are eligible third year and final year students, but when it comes to master's degree, ME, MTech, MCA students or master's design students, they should be only from the first year or the second year, because these courses are of 2 years only, right? And then other fields like legal, commerce, accounts people are also eligible. Please share if you have friends in finance, commerce, mass communication, mathematics field students, if you have friends in those departments, right? And if I talk about the stipend, technical graduate students will be getting 30,000 rupees in the internship duration. The minimum weeks of internship has to be 6 weeks, else you won't get the certification, and maximum you can do 12 weeks. That's the maximum duration of internship that you will be getting, and PhD in research will be getting 50,000 rupees as internship stipend. One more thing, even graduates who have graduated in the last 6 months are eligible for this. So if you have graduated in the last 6 months, you are eligible. Now the next opportunity is that Uber is continuously hiring for fresher level roles as well as experienced roles in front end, machine learning and back end domains also, specifically software engineering roles also. So this is one of the recruiters at Uber, and he just posted like 13 hours ago about front end engineering role. He also posted about machine learning roles, and he has like circulated some forms. So this is a direct opening for front end engineer, and this was a form. So I'll add the form link as well as the job application link for front end engineer in the description. But they are continuously hiring, and Uber has like great pay, great benefits, but there is the interview process is a bit harder, on the harder side. The DSA round questions are a bit harder, and then there is LLD machine coding round also, right? Then another opportunity, which is a DRDO internship opportunity. Let me zoom in a bit. So DRDO, which is Defense Research and Development Organization of India, Indian Army, which was fighting on the border, all the system that they were using is, all the research and development that goes behind is done by DRDO, and they are hiring for paid internships, 6-month interns for students who are pursuing engineering and sciences, UG and PG. So these will be the domains: electronics, electrical, mechanical, physics, applied optics, electronic computer science. You will be getting a 5,000 per month stipend, and there will be 6 months of internship. The other thing is, how you have to apply is you have to fill this particular form, which is mentioned in this PDF itself. Once you fill this form, you have to post this form before 30th of June. 30th June is the last day to apply. You have to post this particular form by speed post to this particular address of DRDO in Dehradun, right? So once you complete this, your application will be submitted, and the student have to have 78% and 7.5 CGPA or greater. Make sure you read all the details before applying. Age limit is 28 years. So the next opportunity is an amazing opportunity for the graduates as well as postgraduate. If you recently came out of college and struggling to find a job, then you should not miss this, because you will be getting a chance to work with one of the biggest banks of India, which is HDFC Bank, as an assistant manager with a starting salary of CTC 4.4 lakh rupees. Now, I am talking about the HDFC Bank ACE Banker Program, and it is not just a job opportunity, it's a career accelerator, a golden chance for you to get a guaranteed placement after a 45 days of training, and that too in HDFC Bank. So this is how it works. It is a 45-day residential training program at the NIIT University in Neemrana. It's a beautiful campus where you will be learning and you will be getting the hands-on experience training on the banking operation, customer relation management, and the top tools which are being used in the industry, in the banking industry, like for instance FlexCube. Once you complete this training, you will directly step into the role of assistant manager, that too at HDFC Bank, with a CTC of 4.4 lakh rupees. Isn't it amazing? Also, this is an operations and sales based role where you will have client interactions and need to achieve targets also by cross-selling and upselling. So keep that also in mind. And during the training also, you will be getting a stipend of 7,500 rupees, 7.5 thousand. So it's like building your own dream while getting paid for it. Now, if I talk about the eligibility for this program, the graduates or postgraduates from any stream with 50% and above graduation are eligible. 21 to 28 years of age has to be there. Freshers are eligible, and candidates with experience also, 0 to 3 years of experience, are eligible for this particular program. But you have to read all the remaining details which they have mentioned who are not eligible for this program. This is how the process works. You will be filling the application. Once you do that, you will go through an online assessment, and post that you will have a personal interview. And once you complete that, you have to enroll and pay the fee of 1.77 lakh rupees, which includes the GST also. And once you do that, you will get into the residential training. Post that, you will be eligible for the offer if you complete that training for 45 days. But they provide financial options to make this more accessible, and the best part, you will have to pay the fees once you will have the offer in hand. So imagine, once you will have the offer, then only you have to pay the fees for this particular program. It's an amazing opportunity that you should not miss if you're struggling to find a job in this job market, or want a career accelerator, want to boost your career. You can use the link in my description below, and let's move on to our next opportunity. Right, the next internship is by the PhysicsWallah. PhysicsWallah is an amazing company, and they are hiring for Android internship. This is my email, let me hide it, although you guys have already seen it. But they're hiring for Android development intern, people who are already interested in or good at Java, Kotlin, C++, or Jetpack Compose or React Native, who have written code, React UI code for Android apps. Then this is a great opportunity for you guys working at PW, because you'll get a good experience, good stipend, and visibility also in the industry. So if you are a college student, then you are eligible for this. Kotlin, Swift, Java, and other programming things, programming languages are required for you to have those. You have to have those skills, right? You should apply to this particular opportunity. Next is Mindtickle product manager intern. Now another place where people who are not that interested in tech, but they have interest, they are not that deep into tech, and also want to work in the management direction. So product manager is a bridge between the product and the technical aspect to it. So you can definitely get a chance to work in that domain if you want to. And the eligibility for this also is BTech, or people who are from the computer science or circuital branches. You can apply for it. It's a, now what they have, Mindtickle is, can be okay. So what they have not given specifically the JD to it, but if you are a college student and can be available for 6 months or 2 months, then you should be applying to it. Pune and Bangalore will be the location, and the company is Mindtickle. Next, another amazing opportunity. Amazon has started hiring for university talent. People who are graduating in 2025 are eligible for this opening. They are not requiring any particular experience. You just have to be completed bachelor's degree in the last 12 months. So 2024 batch is also eligible, or if you are enrolled right now to 2026, 2025 and 2024 batches are eligible for this particular opening at Amazon. Obviously you have to have a good understanding of data structuring, algorithm, system design. Amazon specifically asks for low level design questions, so be ready with those. And leadership principle questions are very important, because they caters to 50% of your performance at Amazon. Another opportunity of Amazon only, AWS recently announced She Builds mentorship program. It's a free 12-week program designed to support individuals who identify as women. So only females and people who identify as women are allowed. It's a D&I event, diversity inclusive, supported environment for career development. So these kind of opportunities by Amazon invites full-time opportunities or internship opportunities for future. So you will be going through some training related to work, and in between, for all the people who register, might get a chance to work with Amazon in future also. Last date to apply for this also is 30th of June. 30th, not 38, 30th, right? 30. The mentorship program will commence on September 1st and it will end on 28th of November. AWS will use AI tools to help AWS select a mentor and mentee pairings, right? So AI based matching, so the matching will happen based on AI. I am making English videos. I hope you guys are liking it. Please let me know in the comments if you are liking it. The next internship is at Zeotap, which is a SaaS product company. It's a data driven platform that that specifically serves to marketers. They are founded in 2014, crazily growing, hence hiring. What they're looking for is a 6-month intern who have solid problem solving skills, Java, Scala, Golang or Python programming language skills. You have to have SQL understanding and computer science fundamentals also. So this is mostly it. 6 months of internship is an amazing experience. 2026 batch who are going to graduate next year are eligible for this particular internship. Next is Razorpay is continuously hiring. As you can see here, there are many. I have seen many posts being posted. 3 years ago they have posted. Reach out to these people and tell them that somebody else has posted. If you reach out to someone else, tell them that you have seen similar post. If they have the job ID, please refer us. Razorpay is hiring for software engineers only, so you have to data structures and algorithm. They generally have for front end roles a lot. So if you are into front end, then make sure you check it before. But software engineering in general will require system design knowledge and data structures and algorithm knowledge. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to apply in all these opportunities. All the links are mentioned in the description. And also check out the HDFC Ace Banker Program. The link is also in the description. If you have any doubts, please comment down below and join our Telegram group for regular updates. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.